Throw them at
Okay,
Hey, Mom,
I think we're on.
The old-fashioned cannon.
The old-fashioned. So what are we up to?
56.
Yep.
57.
Daniel, move over.
58.
Yes, I want him to move over.
59.
Oops. No, it's
60.
Oh boy.
61.
It's getting bigger.
Mom, you're gonna hit the camera.
No, it hasn't even started to crack or sweat yet.
63.
It's getting bigger though.
Mom's like right there.
64.
Hey, I think we're gonna send this into orbit.
65. Got my shades on.
6. Ow. 67. 68.
Hey, Mom, would we be able to do this for a science project next year?
I bet yes.
9.
You heard Phil. He's claiming this for a science project next year. No Marabellas can do this.
Science project next year. What?
71.
View it as able.
How much did you have to pay me?
Josie.
my science project
Josie,
next year.
how much did you pay me,
33.
Stevens?
Too much. Thank you.
74.
That's
That's what we're gonna open. What's the street?
75.
They used to call Daniel Johnny the street.
Spending.
The green streak.
I'm glad you clarified that, the green streak and not just the streak.
11 and 12.
37.
The green, you know, I've seen the green machine.
Yeah, it can be so fast.
39.
So Mr. DeKellis said it's the green streak.
Daniel's getting ready to run.
Is it really getting that bad? No. He's just getting nervous.
80.
80.
Oh, looks like
81.
sweating.
82.
It's the Mr.
83.
So if you do the same as the library ladies, you
84.
still have 200 to go.
85.
Not yet.
Well,
86.
Man, Osama bin Laden,
Bin Melon.
Bin Laden got a strong
88.
Yeah.
Hey, there's gotta be a new torture
89.
method.
Yeah, he's got a big head, right?
Mom, so I'd be a
90.
new torture method. Just put revenge onto the die.
Yeah.
91.
Hey, see how long it takes to pop someone's head off.
I don't
92.
think
Mom,
it,
you could totally do that to somebody's arm.
93.
they do that every time they take blood.
94.
They put the
No,
cuff
but like,
on.
actually make it explode.
Yeah, you know we're videoing here, Josie, and you're on record saying that.
Yeah.
98.
What?
99.
I would never actually do it.
100.
So I'm gonna have to come up with some really cool background music for it.
22. Is it going? Is it doing anything?
No.
Hey, look, Mom, it turned black.
Oh ho ho, you're funny. See, all the videos I saw doing this, it started like sweating and kind of cracking and leaking before it exploded.
25.
Watch, it's just gonna go right into orbit.
26.
Probably depends on how ripe the melon is, too.
Yeah.
27.
totally drawn.
So if it's not very ripe,
39.
109.
No, dude never
Yeah.
got the
11.
Wow.
12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17.
I think it's starting to bulge.
19.
Hey, it's starting to look more like me.
20.
Yeah, a little bit.
21.
Close up.
I didn't find the preview.
Close up.
22.
Close up.
23.
Get out the way.
24. 125. 126. Oh.
What?
What's it doing?
Oh.
Let me see.
It's going in a little bit. Look.
Starting to
Oh, yep.
into it.
It's starting to bulge around a little bit. Susie, back up. You're scaring me.
126 rats. Is it going?
Well, it's starting to bulge just a little in the back.
128.
Don't lose your count. I think you're trying to snap.
Yeah, where you got that?
I'm completely obsessed before.
Did you lose your count?
130.
130.
131.
We like
132.
Oh my goodness. So we like Star
132.
Wars and
Hey, Grandma, can I pick some broccoli?
134.
Oh, is your broccoli?
Yeah, there's broccoli.
You have to cut it. You can't just pick it off. We have like a larger.
137.
A lot
138.
of pressure right there. All the
139.
I've never seen
141. 142.
Well, you can see him now.
143.
Yeah, you can see it bulge, huh?
144.
Yep.
It's coming.
Alright,
145.
getting there.
I'm gonna put my shades back on and get another close-up.
146. 147. 148.
We should have popcorn for this show.
149.